my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back for another portion of veg. Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy vegan risotto. It will take us about 30 minutes to prepare this dish, and beside all the ingredients it requires a lot of love and attention. So let's get started. Start by cutting your herbs and vegetables. Add 2 vegetable cubes to a liter of boiling water and keep it on low heat. Preheat your pan on maximum heat, add some cooking oil and start sauteing your onions. Now add uncooked rice to the pan, let it heat up for 2 minutes and stir constantly. Then add the wine and let it all evaporate. Lower down the heat halfway and start adding stock bit by bit until the rice is almost cooked. You will probably have some stock left over, but that's okay. Keep stirring constantly, don't leave the side for these 10 to 13 minutes. Now add mushrooms and cook for 3 to 4 minutes while stirring, and then you can turn off the stove before you start adding the rest of the ingredients so they keep nice and fresh. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you'll enjoy this risotto recipe. Comment, like and subscribe to support us, and see you next time. Cheers!